The Collision Mitigation Braking System, CMBS, helps enhance confidence while driving. CMBS applies the brakes when an unavoidable collision is determined. The system uses a front wide-view camera mounted at the top of the windshield and a radar sensor in the grille to monitor the roadway ahead when the vehicle reaches 3 miles per hour. CMBS activates in varying conditions, including if you're going about 62 miles per hour or less and the speed difference between your vehicle and another vehicle, pedestrian, or moving bicycle is about 3 miles per hour or more with a chance of collision. Or if your vehicle speed is about 18 miles per hour or less and there is a chance of a frontal collision with a detected oncoming vehicle when you turn left at an intersection. Activation will be canceled when your vehicle stops or the system determines there is no longer the potential for a collision. The system may also be canceled when the driver operates the steering wheel, the brakes, or the accelerator to avoid the collision. CMBS will provide visual and audible alerts of a possible collision and stops the alerts if a collision is avoided. You can adjust when the alerts begin. First, make sure the vehicle is parked and the power on. Roll the selector wheel on the right side of the steering wheel until the vehicle's settings gear icon appears in the digital instrument cluster. Then, push in to select it. Scroll to Driver Assist System Setup and press. Next, select Forward Collision Warning Distance. Now, roll the selector wheel to choose from among Long, when your vehicle is still farther from the obstacle, Normal, the default setting, or Short, when you're closer to the obstacle, and push in. In the unlikely event that you want to turn this valuable feature off, here's how. Use that right side selector wheel to choose Safety Support in the digital instrument cluster. Roll the wheel until the CMBS symbol and checkbox are highlighted and press in. The check mark next to the CMBS symbol will go off and the symbol will change from green to gray to signal that the system is off. CMBS will remain off until you turn it back on using this procedure or until you restart the engine. See your vehicle's owner's manual for even more details. You can download one at mygarage.honda.com.